it's going to depend on how flexible your hamstrings are. The more flexible you are, the closer your feet will be. If you have tight hamstrings, go ahead and give a nice wide stance. As the reps and sets go on, you may feel that you can bring your feet in because your hamstrings are loosening up. You're going to walk out into a plank, widen your hands, go down into a push-up, and then walk yourself back up. Don't stand all the way up. You may get nauseous, so just keep your hands on the floor. If you are struggling with doing push-ups, when you walk out into your plank, go ahead and drop to your knees, do your knee push-up, get back on your toes, and then walk yourself back up. Keeping your core tight and your hands right underneath your shoulders when you're doing your push-ups will give you the most support. You want to make sure, again, that your hands are just outside your shoulders for those push-ups. This is a really good exercise to strengthen your upper body. If you're struggling with any of your other upper body exercises, this is a good way to strengthen your arms, your chest, your core, and your shoulder blades. So this is a good little mixer with your upper body workouts.